1. The 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto roars into the future, fusing raw power with cutting-edge electrification. This is not just a supercar, it's Lamborghini's bold leap into the hybrid era. At the heart of the Revuelto lies a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, paired with 3 electric motors. Combined, they unleash a staggering 1,001 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, over 1,000 horses under the hood. Lamborghini has completely re-engineered the powertrain architecture. The new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission is mounted transversely for the first time in a Lambo V12, optimizing weight distribution and performance. This beast accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Top speed, over 350 km per hour. But what's truly revolutionary is how seamlessly it blends V12 tradition with electric innovation. The design of the Revuelto is unmistakably Lamborghini, aggressive, futuristic, and inspired by aerospace technology. Y-shaped daytime running lights, prominent aerodynamic channels, and a rear dominated by active aerodynamics and an adjustable wing make it look like a spaceship on wheels. Inside, the cockpit is entirely driver-focused. A new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, an 8.4-inch central touchscreen, and a 9.1-inch passenger display offer a tech-laden yet luxurious environment. Lamborghini calls this interface feel like a pilot, and it delivers just that. Despite its high-performance DNA, the Revuelto can cruise in electric-only mode at lower speeds, offering zero-emission mobility for short urban trips. It also uses regenerative braking to charge the battery on the go. Chassis-wise. The new carbon fiber monofuselage is stronger and lighter than ever. Combined with all-wheel drive and rear-wheel steering, it offers unmatched agility, especially in tight corners. 3 new drive modes: recharge, hybrid, and performance. Let the driver switch from eco-conscious cruising to full-throttle madness at the twist of a dial. And of course, the sound. The Revuelto still sings with that iconic V12 roar. Now complemented by the whisper of electric motors, a symphony of past and future. Lamborghini isn't just building a new car with the Revuelto, it's rewriting its legacy. Hybrid doesn't mean compromise, it means evolution. The 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto is here. It's not just electrified, it's electrifying.